Hey, good morning, YouTube. Nice cloudy Saturday. Figured it's finally time to go ahead and get some work done. Minor project that I've been putting off for a long time, but I've had a new shift coupler there for quite a while. But the shifter bushing up front here, that is worn out. So, got my son taking off the front access plate. We're getting ready to slide that forward. I'll keep you posted. Something I've been dreading doing for quite a while, but yeah, let's just get her done. Bring it back shortly. Alright, so here's an update. We got the shaft out. Take that front access cover off. That access cover off. And that one, which goes... where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Oh, it goes right there. So we were able to get the shifter shaft out, cleaned up, new bushing installed, and yeah, now comes the fun part of putting it all back together. Alright, so now we got the shaft going back in with the new bushing. See the, well, kind of dark. Shaft down there in the hole. But I figured something out. And that is, when you have the shaft coming through, in order to get through this hole right here, where the shaft is supported, your shaft is all the way down to the bottom of the tunnel. I used a magnet to be able to pick it up and then use that to kind of slide it in through the hole. And now we can just kind of take the magnet off and start working it back in there. There we go. Assembly. Alright guys, update. You might have seen the little shifter bushing on the shift rod. Heads up, it doesn't work that way. Put the bushing in there first and then use your little magnet, wherever that went, so you can hold it up, slide it back. Alright, well, third time's the charm. Let's try it again. Alright, well, it's in. Bushing is in, if you can see it, it's in there. Got my coupler hooked back up. If I were to do this again, I would probably disconnect my coupler, tie a thick string to the end of the shift rod. That way when I pulled it forward and out the front, and you've already got your bushing installed here in the hole, when you're pulling it back through, you could pull the string back or a thin rope or whatever and make life a little easier. I fumbled around with a pair of pliers, was able to get it in there in a minute or two, wasn't too bad. But definitely a rope or string or something at the back, if I ever do this again. Alright, bring it back. Well, it's back together. Just got back from a test drive, had to adjust the reverse lockout plate a little bit to be able to get first and second properly, but good to go. Everything's back in, and the magic of video, it only took a few minutes. In reality, it took about 45, but still, not bad. Anyway, hope you guys have a great weekend, and we'll catch you on the next one.